It is 8:44. Show some love to your heart by eating the right foods to keep it healthy. Mount Washington Pediatric Hospital is here to help. We have the Director of Nutritional Rehabilitation, Michelle Demule, standing next to me, along with Food Service Director Coleman Manning right here, joining us with some pointers ahead of our Be More Healthy Expo that you both will be at. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Of course, and we're talking about eating heart healthy, not just for ourselves, but for our children, making sure the whole family is in on this.
Absolutely. So, Valentine's Day is coming up on Friday, and February is Heart Health Month. So it's really important to talk about good nutrition for our hearts.
And it starts in the morning. Often we think of cereal, but it's not always the best idea when you think of some of the sugar. You've got a great idea for us. It's easy.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is overnight oats. It's totally easy. It's basically just a half cup of oats, rolled oats, about 3/4 cup of milk, whatever kind of milk you want. Of course, we recommend lower fat milk, skim 1%, less fat. And then I've got some great add-ins here, so we can do walnuts, and I measured out just about 1/8 a cup of walnuts, which have a really good type of fat, omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart.
Very good.
We've got blueberries here, which are full of antioxidants, great source of potassium, which is, again, good for our hearts. And then raisins, which add some extra fiber, some magnesium, some good stuff for our hearts as well.
My kids will eat this if there's raisins in it. I feel like there has to be that one thing that kind of draws them in, and then...
Yep, and then also the other thing I put in here is cinnamon. And cinnamon, again, is one of those superfoods, lots of good antioxidants, lots of good things for our heart.
And when we look to dinner, I told you guys in commercial, I was able to get my daughters to eat salmon by calling it pink fish. They would eat your salmon because of how it tastes. You're pan-searing it over here.
Yeah, absolutely. I got my cast iron skillet here. The best way to do it. We've got a nice salt-free seasoning, so you get flavor, less sodium. Using some avocado oil in there, high smoke point, which means you're not going to burn it.
Okay.
So we're going to give it a nice sear on that side. Flip it over.
What's the difference with the avocado oil? Is it healthier than just regular olive oil?
Well, I'm sure that Michelle likes it for the health benefits.
Yes.
I like it because when you're searing stuff at higher heat, it's not going to burn.
Right.
And it's not going to smoke up the kitchen.
That's good to know. I hadn't heard that. And I know the health aspect is kind of what you focus on at the hospital. You're making sure these kids that come in are getting meals that are going to heal them inside and out.
Yeah, absolutely. So at Mount Washington Pediatric Hospital, obviously we're trying to take care of kids, especially kids who are immunocompromised and who are there for complex medical issues. So serving them something that's going to help them in their recovery process is super important to us.
Oh my goodness, yes.
And then we actually have nutrition programs at Mount Washington Pediatric Hospital. We have a weight management program for kids, and we talk about healthy eating, activity, all those good things for our heart.
It's a great resource. If some of you are watching and you might have questions, make sure you come out to our Be More Healthy Expo, and you'll see the two of these folks there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, let's turn it over now to meteorologist Jonathan Myers. Take a look at what's happening outside. Jonathan.
Yeah, and I'll be over the Be More Healthy Expo. Actually, the entire team will be. So you should come visit us when that happens in a few weeks. Baltimore, overcast skies now.